What's up, guys? So today we're gonna do another modification to the Audi, and this time is, I don't like this stuff. You guys know I don't like chrome, things of that nature. You know it's gonna go all black, and how we're gonna do that is a little bit different than how I did it last time, where I painted it and you have to tape up everything, and I don't feel like doing that anymore. And I want to go ahead and do it a different route because paint will chip sometimes, especially on chrome and things of that nature. So we're gonna use vinyl. So I think this is like a 1.5 inch or 2 inch vinyl roll, and it's pure black, and it's gonna go on this. So I'm gonna try to black this out, and if I do get to any other little thing, I will go ahead and show you guys. But pretty much I'm gonna go ahead and black out the trim. So yeah, thumbnail right there, baby. And excuse if the car is really dirty. I haven't washed it myself personally. After this I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. I don't want to wash it first and then do this because water will get under this, and then it's just not fun when you're trying to put vinyl on a car like that. So I already went ahead and cleaned all the trim with isopropyl alcohol, just so it's a lot like no grease or nothing like that on it, because you don't want anything on it, because if it lifts it's gonna just ruin your day. You don't want that. So yeah, go ahead and clean the car with isopropyl alcohol on the trim only. Don't clean the whole car with it. But let's see what it looks like afterwards. So I guess I'll give you guys the before and after. This being the before. It's cool and all because it does go with like other accents the car has right now. But when I'm done with it, chrome is not going to be existent on this vehicle. Maybe for the side mirrors, but even those, carbon fiber, baby. So I'm not gonna do this outside. I'm actually gonna pull the car in because I don't want to do this outside and then have like some dirt or birds fly into like the vinyl. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna pull it in and then we'll start from there. I actually bought 2 rolls because I wasn't sure, and I'm horrible at this because I get scared that I'm not gonna have enough, so I overbuy, and in the long run it helps because then I'm like, oh, I have some of this left. But I bought 2 rolls, so I think they're 2 inches by 20 feet. Which should be enough with 1 roll, I'm thinking, but just to be on the safe side, I bought a second one. They were like 10, 13 bucks on Amazon. So yeah, I'll post a link down below. Y'all can see it if you guys want to do it. If it looks good, then I'll let you guys know, buy it. If it doesn't, then we're going back to painting. Start unwrapping the vinyl, and I'm gonna be pretty much opening the door, putting on the windows and stuff like that, just so it's easier to go ahead and wrap around corners if need be. Just because I feel like right here it's really stuck if the window's up. So I'm gonna pull down all the windows because I have 4 now, guys. I have 4 doors. 4 doors for more whores. But yeah, guys, I'm going in, put the windows down and see if that makes it any easier, or I'm playing myself. I'm playing myself. The back one doesn't go down all the way. Oh man. Anyways, but yeah, the front ones do at least. So I guess maybe. That's not gonna make it any easier. Oh well. Wait, I don't think I want any vinyl touching this. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. I'm the test dummy, and then if it works out, then I'll tell you guys what to do. Guys, so it's like 45 minutes later, and I finished 1 and 2. And it doesn't look the greatest, but I guess you try and error. Oh my god, this came back out. Fuck. That's not good. We'll just put that back on there. Yeah, I don't know. It kind of looks iffy. I think I need to learn how to do this better and get it under the seals and stuff. But see right here, that's not good. God damn it, I lost them. The bottom one's a lot better, just because this one is straight. This one has a curve to it. So yeah, let me go ahead and get to the other ones and we'll see how it goes. But right now, let's see. It looks good, like if it was black, you know, because I don't know, I think it looks better. But yeah, it doesn't look that great because I didn't do that great of a job. But anyways, we'll see how it goes. I'll keep doing the rest. Alright guys, so I just remembered why I paint is because I'm horrible at wrapping stuff. So as you can hear that? It's just because it's not sitting right, but whatever. I still haven't done this back part. I'm just gonna show you guys what that looks like. I think it looks a lot better, and I'm gonna show you guys around. So that side's all silver. I don't know, I like the black more. It's just personal preference. And yeah, that's what it looks like. But I feel like this vinyl isn't gonna hold up very long, and I might just get like actual covers on it. But I don't know, vinyl's not for me. If you're good at it, then you're good at it, but not me. I'm not the best at it. But hey guys, it's been like fucking hour doing this. I'm just not good at wrapping. And guys, I went ahead and finished it off, and that's what it looks like. But yeah guys, I finally finished it up, and I went ahead and tinted the side markers on it as well. Let me know what y'all think, because I'm not really about that orange life, and I did it on my past Audi, so I wanted to see what this looked like. But this is what it's looking like currently. It looks alright. I could have done a whole lot better job, but oh well. That looks way better than before though. And if I do go ahead and redo it, then I'll redo it one day. But right now, this is good enough for me for at the moment. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a wash, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards outside in the sun. But yeah guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It does help out a lot, and it makes me keep doing the videos I do. So until next time guys, peace. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like after. Alright, well, after a lot of stuff actually. So it might look very different from what it does in the video, but anyways, this is a trim. I use a whole different type of trim, so I'm gonna let you guys know that I use a completely different type of vinyl that's already pre-cut and everything on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and post that. Use this instead. Bye. I live in an apartment now, guys. I live somewhere completely different. But yeah, so this is why I really can't make that many videos, because I live like in an apartment complex. It's nice, but still. But yeah, as you can tell, it helps out with the whole vision because it's all blacked out now. I will get to the rest of it later on in different videos, but this is what it looks like right now. But yeah, the pre-cut vinyl worked a whole lot better than the other vinyl that you have to cut yourself, because it's already done for you. I only had one problem where, like right here in the corners, it starts to lift a little bit. Just that might be user error. I didn't put it on right, but I'll show you the other side as well. This is the other side, and this is the only other side that's messing up really bad. But right here, so it kind of ripped off. I just noticed this like a day ago, so it's held up. It's been on here maybe for like a month or two, so that's how long I haven't posted a video, as you can tell. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It helps out a lot, and I'll be posting whatever I use down in the link below, the actual one that I used instead of the other one. I want to give you guys like the best thing for your car, so this is it for me. Alright guys, till later. Peace.